What if I told you the Earth could kill everything in just 1 second? Yes, only 1 second. Today, we're exploring what would happen if Earth suddenly stopped spinning, even for a moment. Right now, the Earth is spinning at over 1,670 kilometers per hour. If it suddenly stopped, everything not attached to the ground would be thrown forward at that same speed. Imagine that? Cars, buildings, oceans. Even entire cities would slide across the surface like a giant tsunami of destruction. Think about it. Anything not bolted down to bedrock would become a projectile. The air itself would become a deadly force. Winds would blast across continents faster than any hurricane ever recorded. A global shockwave that would scour the planet's surface clean. But the chaos wouldn't stop there. The oceans would not stay where they are. With the planet's momentum gone, the water would surge forward, creating massive mega-tsunamis thousands of meters high, crashing over every coastline on Earth. No landmass would be safe from this deluge. Meanwhile, the jolt would be felt deep within the planet. Earth's molten core would feel the shock too. Expect volcanic eruptions on a scale we've never seen, massive earthquakes shaking the very foundations of the continents, and cracks splitting the land apart. The planet would literally tear itself to pieces from the inside out. But why would all of this happen? It all comes down to simple physics. The only thing keeping everything stable is Earth's rotation. This spin creates a delicate balance between gravity pulling us down and the centrifugal force pushing everything outward. Stop the spin, and that balance collapses instantly. Gravity would win, but not before inertia has had its say. Beyond the immediate destruction, our entire concept of time would change. Without rotation, the day would suddenly become 365 days long. One side of Earth would face the sun for months on end, burning to a crisp under its relentless heat, while the other side freezes into an endless, icy darkness. After the initial destruction settles, Earth would become an entirely different planet. The oceans, no longer held in place by rotational bulge at the equator, would move toward the poles. This would create two giant superoceans, and a massive new supercontinent would form around the equator, a continuous belt of dry land. What about humans? Well, most life as we know, it would not survive the initial impact. It would be an extinction event, unlike any other. But perhaps life isn't completely wiped out. Underground species or creatures in the deep sea might continue on, slowly evolving on this new, strange Earth. So, be thankful Earth keeps spinning. Because if it ever stopped, even for 1 second, the world would end before we even knew what was happening. It's a terrifying thought, but it makes you appreciate the incredible cosmic dance that keeps us all alive. But what if the opposite happened? What if Earth suddenly started spinning twice as fast? Subscribe to find out what that would look like in our next video. Thanks for watching.